Hi guys, it's December 2021 and it's about 5 months I started with this Cobra RX Adder and all those red items you see here, especially printed in red, so I can show you all the upgrades which I'm right now offering for this crossbow. And it all started this summer when I decided that I need to change this top locker with the one which would allow me to put, instead of 5 bolts, 7 bolts here. And I pretty much succeeded with that project, and at that moment there was an idea that I can continue and maybe it could become a commercial project. And from that moment I was looking on this crossbow and finding areas which could be improved more. And one first thing which appeared very soon was this rear slider, which was needed here because as you can see, when you reload the crossbow, the bolt might stuck here behind this metallic part, and this rear slider is literally not allowing this to happen. So this small guy appeared here. And also since there were now more bolts in the magazine, so those bolts could travel to the front, so this additional front locker was needed to prevent those two top bolts to travel to the front. So next idea was that it would be nice if this top locker can bend aside and just let you easy access to the area where you can put bolts in an easy way. As on the standard one you would need to hold the top locker. Here you can just park it aside. And then next idea was to add this top adapter. It was actually needed because now with 7 bolts sometimes the top bolt was jumping out a bit and you need to kind of fix it with the fingers, so it was not pleasant. So the first idea was just to add some adapter here just to make some elevation of the magazine. But then I just noticed that it could have dual purpose, so this adapter is also making this compatibility with V2 magazine quick loaders, and I'm offering also bolt loaders which are pretty much similar to V2 magazine quick loaders. And you can very easily unload those 7 bolts into that magazine. And then since those bolt loaders appeared, I was thinking it might be nice to give you a possibility to mount this bolt loader on the Picatinny rail. And so it's here, and also there is a Picatinny bolt holder which holds up to 7 bolts, and you can easily just grab one and do the partial reload if you just miss few bolts and do not want to make a full reload with quick loader. And all those both this bolt loader mount and bolt holder have this quick release system. So you have those 2 pins which you can easily remove and get those items off your Picatinny rail if you transport your crossbow in a bag, and then you can very easily move it back and push those pins in, rotate aside, and then it's back to where it's supposed to be. And then I also have those quick loaders, and there is one which is a standard, and the second one which is advanced one. And as you see, both are fixating well on a molly system here, and the difference here between standard and advanced one, so both are fixing bolts at the front, but the advanced one is also additionally fixating the bolt at the rear side. So if you prefer more stable fixation, so you might choose this advanced one. For me, I would say that I'm pretty much satisfied with the standard one, but there is demand for more stable fixation, so you are actually free to choose. Maybe you can take two of them, so one you put on your back or somewhere on a molly system, and second one, which is standard one, you put on your crossbow. So pretty much it's all about Cobra RX Adder and items I have for it. And I want to say many thanks to those who already trust me and bought something from me. And recently I got yearly report from eBay, and they saying I got buyers from 18 countries or 4 seas territories, and it really makes me very happy because it's kind of a lot of people trusting me from all over the world, and it really keeps me going and continue. And my next project will be Cobra Sage, and I already found some things that I want to improve for that crossbow as well, but it will be in the next video. But for now I want to say you thank you for watching this video, and Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.